Good day to all employer in Hong Kong. My name is Bernadette D. Natividad. I am 36 years old. I am happily married. I have two daughters, ages 16 and 12 years old. I have four siblings and I am the third. I am from Cauayan City, province of Isabela, Philippines. My highest education attainment is college undergraduate. My working experience here in the Philippines is domestic helper, at the same time nanny for 3 years. I serve one couple and two children ages 7 and 3 years old. My duties and responsibilities are general cleaning, washing and ironing clothes, washing dishes, cooking, marketing, gardening, and especially taking care of the two children. To my future employer, please choose me as your domestic helper, and I promise to do my duties and responsibilities. I am excited to serve you and your family. Thank you, and I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.